Alright guys, welcome back to the Heat Beat Garage. Basically what we're going to be working on today is this 05 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is my buddy's truck, Jake. He's right there. Yeah, that's Jake right there.
What's up?
Yep. So basically what we're going to be doing on this is replacing these CV axles. If you saw that shorts video, you basically saw that we had to tape up the CV axle boots. So he basically went to go get this truck inspected and aligned because we had just recently did the lift kit and everything. And over the course of him doing that, they basically told him, it's like, hey man, we can't align your truck because of tape on the CV axle boots. Yeah. Now keep in mind that was a perfectly fine fix.
Yeah,
100%.
No problems.
Yep, no problems out of that fix.
But it's probably a liability issue for them.
Yeah,
they didn't want to catch flack for it fucking up and then.
All right, guys. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to take this axle nut off right here. It's in the center of the wheel. You're going to pull that off. It's going to be a 35 millimeter socket. And then you're going to go back here to the CV axle. And it's going to be a 17 mil. It's going to be 6 17 mil bolts. Then you're going to pull this spacer off. And basically just pull this shaft right all the way out and down.
All right. Pull that out. Take those bolts off. That's right. Yes. No. I was thinking we got a swivel. Damn it, cuz. Always make sure you get your non-mechanic friend. Do it.
Hey, it is your truck.
It is my truck. But obviously, I didn't make it.
Also, guys, you're probably going to want to spin this brake rotor and everything just to make it a lot easier for you to get to all the bolts.
That's right.
Just like that. So basically, just do 2 bolts, spin it. Do 2 bolts and spin it. Just do that 3 times. Basically, you'll have all the bolts out.
Damn, cuz. Got mechanic strength over here.
You only need 2 fingers.
This motherfucker's gonna pop right off. Even if it falls, that big deal.
Yeah, guys, it's just basically gonna fall straight down.
Yeah.
Just like what Jake demonstrated right there. And then you can just reach behind here and hopefully grab this spacer off. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to use a little persuasion.
Just beat it. Yeah, motherfucker is on there, ain't it?
So basically, get your Tanya Harding 200 and pop that thing off real quick.
How's this shit not coming off? It's twisted around and everything. Oh yeah, it's on the inside of it.
I'll tell you what, me and you and that skid plate.
Yeah, we should not have put that on there yet.
Here's what you gotta do, Jake. Basically spin this.
I've been spinning. You're gonna hit that right there.
out of the camera.
Oh, my bad.
Alright. There we go. Alright, guys, and this is basically what the spacer looks like. It's got a machine side that basically seats to the diff, and then there's another indentured side that basically seals to your CV axle. Now, so just pull that off, toss it to the side, and then you should be able to just pull this CV axle straight out and through the bottom.
Let's hope so. Fucking skid plate. There it goes.
Yep. And guys, again, this is probably going to apply to all y'all that basically has a lift kit. If y'all don't have a lift kit, I don't know if y'all be able to do that or not. But because Jake's truck is lifted 6 inches, we're basically just able to plop it out through the bottom and not have to disassemble the brakes or any of that.
There was nothing wrong with that duct tape. Nothing is leaking. It's fine.
Yeah, it's actually still good.
It's great.
If y'all guys are wanting a cheap fix on your CV axle,
and you don't have to get it a line sync.
Yeah, and you don't have to get it a line soon. It's actually a good little trick to use.
Or find a mechanic that doesn't give a fuck.
Yeah. So basically, just slip it in, basically through the bottom, all the way up to the wheel hub there.
Let's see if I can come around. And then I don't want to pull it out. But...
No, I'll stop right there. Remember, we got that spacer.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
All right.
Good idea, Joe.
So basically, once you get it in there, guys, you want to put your spacer in between. And you're going to have, this is better with a helper. But basically, you're going to want to grab one of your bolts. And just go ahead and put it through the CV axle and the spacer all at once. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get y'all in here, but it's rather interesting.
Then we can go ahead and put that right here.
Yeah, but just put it in there finger tight.
Just so it'll stay for a little bit.
Just so it'll stay right there for a little bit. And then once you get it finger tight, you can basically just pull out of it like that. And go ahead and put the rest of your bolts in.
Yep. So?
Yeah, it's not that bad of a deal when your truck's lifted. If it's not lifted, though, it's probably a bigger deal.
Yeah.
Like I say, guys, this thing is on a 6-inch rough country lift kit. Makes it a little bit easier to work on.
Also makes it sexy.
Yeah, also makes it sexy looking, you know what I'm saying? And them old Chevrolets need all the help and the sexiness. Huh?
That should just pop out.
No.
And it made a noise.
No, you're good.
It probably wouldn't spin if it popped out. Right?
Okay. All right, so basically, guys, just going to want to put your axle nut back on.
I think you're on top of my bolts. Joe's giving me a reach around real quick to get to the axle bolts.
Just so he doesn't do all the work.
Yeah, a good reach around is always good. You gotta keep it sexy around here. Okay. Now I tighten them up.
Yep. Hey, plastic.
That is plastic, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Do I need to do a diamond pattern or star pattern?
Nah, it's impact tight, so impact tight is good enough. By the way, that's torque to spec. 2 Ooga Doogas in your disc. 2 Ooga Doogas.
Is that good? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Torque to spec, 159 foot-pounds of torque. Okay. Make sure that comes off about 15 times while you're doing it, so you show you're a real mechanic.
Having trouble there?
Hell no. Alright. Probably too tight. I probably fucked it up. It's alright though. No duct tape won't fix.
Yep. Alright, then guys, just take your 35 mil socket, basically tighten up your axle nut. And after that, you should be good.
Yeah, let me do it by hand.
Yeah.
You already got it in there?
Yeah, it's already in there.
It's not. Oh, it is on there. Oh, yeah, it's not deep enough, is it? Remember we had that problem? I think it's
That's
just...
good. That's tight. I heard it.
Huh?
I heard it. It's tight.
Yeah, but it's still spinning.
Huh?
It's still spinning.
Here, look.
I don't think it's deep enough.
It is, bro. That's tight. Yeah.
Alright. Remember, I'm the one driving. I don't want to die. That's it.
Look, moral of the story is, guys, just don't be a little bitch. And you'll be fine.
I guess. If little bitches like to live, then I guess I'm a little bitch. So we're done?
Yep. Guys, we're just basically going to throw the wheel back on and maybe look at getting some new lug nuts because these are trashed.
Yeah.
But I'll catch y'all back up when we get the wheel on. Alright. Well, guys, this is why you don't take your stuff to a shop right here. Hopefully y'all be able to see this. But if you can see on the inside of those threads right there, they are just absolutely screwed. Like, I don't even understand how you do that. Like, y'all guys got to do better on the shop equipment, like, for real.
Just taking the gun equipment.
I mean, this still spinning a little bit. I mean, this is just ridiculous right here. Like, this should never happen. I don't care who you are, what you've done. Like, that should never happen. Point blank period. Like, that's just... And then they let him drive away with it. Like, that's the thing that gets me. You're gonna put it on like that.
Alright guys, forgot to film an outro to this video, but basically we put the wheel back on and wrapped up for the day.